Hello, my beautiful babes. Welcome back to my channel and a very merry holiday season to all of you. If you're anything like me, you've been thinking about your perfect holiday wish list, those little luxuries that make Christmas feel just a bit more magical. Well, I'm going to share with you my ultimate wish list this year because, hey, who knows? Maybe Santa's watching? So let's dive in, shall we? First up on my list is a piece that truly speaks to elegance and timeless sophistication. The Yves Saint Laurent Black on Black Lulu Medium Bag. Oh my gosh. This bag is absolute perfection. The textured leather, the sleek black accents, and that signature YSL logo. It's a statement piece that can elevate any outfit, whether you're in a cozy sweater and jeans or a little black dress. Honestly, it's like a piece of art that I could carry every single day. And trust me, I would. Next, we have something that's been on my wish list for quite some time now. Chanel Noir perfume. Let me tell you something, this scent is intoxicating. It's the perfect mix of mystery, sophistication, and depth. When I spray it, I feel like I'm stepping into an old Hollywood movie. The deep notes of patchouli and amber combined with the richness of jasmine. It's absolutely mesmerizing. A fragrance that will leave a lasting impression. Yes, please. Hold, please. Moving on to something that just makes my heart skip a little beat. It's the Hermes Click H Rose Gold Bracelet. I mean, rose gold and Hermes. Who could get any more luxurious? This bracelet is a sleek, elegant, and totally timeless classic. Whether I'm dressing up for an event or wearing it with my favorite sweater and jeans, it's the perfect subtle statement. Plus, the H class is just iconic, is it not, ladies? It's understated, but it screams sophistication. It's one of those pieces that elevates your style without trying too hard, and I love that. Finally, drumroll please. It is the Louis Vuitton Daimler Sauvage Gazelle Pochette. Yes, I know it's a mouthful, but oh my gosh. When I first saw this beauty, I was instantly obsessed. The combination of the iconic Daimler print with the sleek, sporty design of the Gazette Pochette is everything I want in a luxury bag. It's perfect for those days when I'm on the go, but still want to look chic and put together. The compact size is just right for my essentials, and the detailed hardware is the ultimate luxe touch. Can you imagine pairing this with a classic white blazer or your favorite little black dress? Ugh, total perfection. So, Santa, if you're out there listening, these are the things that I'm wishing for this holiday season. But honestly, no matter what gifts we get, babes, Christmas is all about spending time with loved ones, spreading joy, and making memories. However, if any of these items happen to show up underneath my tree, I would not be complaining. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'd love to know what is on your Christmas wish list. Leave a comment below and let's share our festive dreams. Wishing you all seasons filled with joy, love, and of course, a little bit of luxury. Until next time, babes, happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, if you're new and you like what I do, go ahead and subscribe and then tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload, post, or go live. Until we meet again, babes, you have now been Bellafied.